Hi folks, it's Switchback. Have you wondered about going solo when you're backpacking or hiking or even camping? This is the video for you with lots of tips and tricks to help you get out safely and feeling good about it. Why would you even want to go alone in the first place? Well, sometimes it's hard to find other people to go with. And even when you do book with them, half the time they flake out on you. Frankly, it's easier to get a permit when it's just for one person. It also can be scary to be reliant on others because if you do get separated and you're on your own and you don't know what to do, that's not good. And honestly, I love the freedom. It's liberating. I'm on my own schedule. I can pee when I want. I can eat when I want. I can camp wherever I want. I can do whatever on my own schedule, and it's kind of a treat. It's also quite empowering to know that you're completely self-reliant. Now, what if you're someone who is not used to being on their own in general? Well, start small, go for a walk on your own out in town, wherever you feel comfortable. Go to dinner on your own or lunch, or go to a movie, or go do something that you enjoy doing, but do it solo. It's good to learn how to enjoy your own company. From there, consider going on a hike by yourself. And I would choose a trail that you already know, one that you've done with friends or with other people, one that has good cell reception. And if it's more comfortable for you to go on a trail with more people or less people, do whatever it is that makes you comfortable. The next step I would consider is going car camping on your own. And car camping can mean either sleeping in your car or sleeping in your tent. But I would recommend taking your backpacking gear with you. This is a good opportunity to also test that out. If going completely solo while camping is too much, you could even consider having a friend a few sites over where you're still on your own, you're both kind of doing your own thing, but that friend is there as a safety net. Give yourself time to learn how to use your gear. Let yourself get comfortable with sleeping outside. It is an adjustment. When you're ready to venture into your first trip out on your own backpacking, again, choose a trail that's already familiar, something where you can easily get back to your car if something happens, and ideally something where you can still communicate, where you have good cell reception, just in case as a safety net. Take a few things with you to keep your brain entertained and distracted. So books, music, you can take time to go take pictures or vlog or go swim, play cards, even play on your phone. And at night, the stars are often spectacular while backpacking, and having a constellation guide can be nice too. You may even want to take a day hike from your site so that you go to bed nice and tired, because it will take a little bit oftentimes to go to sleep just because it's an adjustment. A few tips to keep you safe while you're on your first trip and beyond. Get familiar with your gear. So again, car camping with your gear can be a great way to set up your tent, use your water filter, practice using your stove. It's really helpful to know how to use a map and compass properly, and there are online orienteering courses. Make sure that you look for one that's for land and not for marine. Whether it's a day hike or a backpacking trip, leave an itinerary with someone. You could even let them know what color your backpack is, what your gear looks like, what clothes you're wearing, etc. Take what makes you feel safe, adhering to the local laws, of course. And that can include a knife, a gun, pepper spray, bear spray, etc. So now that you're ready to get out on the trail solo, how about some safety tips? Right up here, click up there. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you, bye. Don't you start laughing at me. Also, how to use a map.